By now, I'm sure you've heard of ChatGPT and all of these other AI tools out there that you can use to help you do different things. In this example, or in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the AI features that Shopify has and how you can use them to help you with your online store. So for this example, we're going to use it to help us fill in some page content. So all you want to do here is come, now that you're on your dashboard, come to online store, and then you want to click on pages. We're going to click on add page because we want to make a new page. So in here, we're going to say membership. Now, that's normally what you do. You type in membership and then maybe you type in some information about the membership. For this case, we're going to use this AI tool. So if you see here, you see these stars here. All right, so we're going to delete that up and click here. What's this page about? And then we're going to say membership for customers to receive exclude items. Yes, alerted. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Alerted when new products come out. You should see like this, right? I'm going to copy this because I want to use it for the content part as well. Now, let's say we want to put it as what kind of tone? We want to put it maybe as a persuasive tone, right? So let's do generate. Okay, so now it's giving us 3 different options here. Become a member, exclusive assets, or join our community. Let's say for this example, we want to do join our community, right? Now we need to fill in some content. So now we're gonna go here again, click these 3 stars. I'm gonna paste this back in, and then I'm gonna edit this. Look, it's gonna say this page is for a membership for customer service. Okay, good. And again, what kind of, if we want to use the same tone, we want to use something here. Now, you also notice that you can actually use a custom tone. So let's try this. We're gonna say option mistake. We don't have to restrict ourselves to these tones here. So we can use our custom tone. We're gonna click enter in there. We're gonna generate. And now it's gonna give us some page content that we can use for our store here. So let's let it run real quick. And you notice here, it's now giving us some information that we can use for our store. Normally, you have to come up with this yourself. It could take a while, but you can use this as a great starting point. You might need to make some changes here and there, but you can use something like this as a great starting point for your store, right? And now if you notice down here, this is how it's going to look like in the search engine listing. So this is great for SEO because now, especially if you're trying to target certain words, if you're trying to do this with specific pages where maybe there's a specific keyword that you're looking to focus, this is going to help you get there much easier because now you have this AI tool that can help you target that keyword, right? Edit the website SEO so you can come in here. And now this part here is actually populated with some of this information here. So if you notice here, all this whole description is actually populated with this information here. You would just need to change the title. If that's something that you want to do, you can edit the URL here. But this is a great way that you can use Shopify's AI tool to actually generate information and generate text for your website, making it easier, helping you get the ball rolling when it comes to working on your store. So I hope this video was helpful to share with you some of Shopify's features and things that you can do. If you need any help with something like this, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help out. And if you're looking for help on your Shopify store, you need development help, I'm available to help as well. All my information is down below. Also, if you're looking to enhance your online business presence in any way, you're looking for anything from maybe to improve your customer support. So you want to send a thank you card. You want to use an order form to help you fill out orders. You want to use some assets for your for your Instagram page. You want some assets for your Shopify store. We have all this available on our Etsy store. The link is in the description below if you want to check this out as well. But once again, I hope this video was helpful to share with you a little bit about the features behind Shopify. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.